In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a multi-page form on Tally. So in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline data collection or create a dynamic experience for your form users, this step-by-step guide will help you master the process quickly and efficiently. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and type in Tally.so into the search bar. Once you see the correct link, go ahead and click on it to access the site. Tally.so is a fantastic tool for creating forms easily without needing extensive coding knowledge. After reaching the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Here, you simply enter your credentials and access the platform's features. Now, once you're logged in, you'll want to open the form that you've been working on or a new one that you'd like to turn into a multi-page format. This is done in the Tally editor, which provides a straightforward and user-friendly interface for building and tweaking forms to suit your exact needs. Now think about the structure of your form. Identify where you'd like to add new pages. This could be based on sections of your form that naturally belong together or ways that you can compartmentalize information logically. With your intended spot identified, you'll want to insert a page break. To do this, you type /page into the editor. This action opens a drop-down menu. From here, select the New Page option. This will effectively split your form, making it easier for respondents to navigate it one section at a time. Once you've inserted a new page, it's time to add your form fields. This includes any questions you want to ask, headings that offer context, and descriptions that clarify what is desired from respondents. Make sure each page of your form feels complete and includes only what's necessary for that subsection. This thoughtful layout encourages user engagement by preventing respondents from feeling overwhelmed. As you continue customizing your form, repeat the page adding process for additional sections. This is achieved by following the same steps of typing /page and selecting New Page. Repeatedly using these steps, you'll be able to break your form into organized, digestible sections tailored to your specific goals. By incorporating these logical breaks, you ensure your form remains user-friendly and efficient. This method not only enhances the experience for users by not bombarding them with too much information on one page, but it also aids in focusing responses and improving accuracy. And that's it! You've successfully crafted a multi-page form on Tally.so in just 5 minutes. With practice, you'll refine this process and continue to enhance your data collection strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!